Hey guys, what we got here is a 2020 Hyundai Kona SEL Plus, black in color, super nice vehicles. Now, as everybody knows, the Hyundais have come so far in their styling, their sportiness, their reliability, dependability, and warranty is best on the market. Also, with every new Hyundai, you get 3 years of free maintenance. Now, again, this is the SEL Plus, so you're going to get the aluminum alloy wheels. You're going to get your fog lights. Beautiful black in color. Very stylish front end with the cascading front grille. Does have your key fobs here. Super nice. Does have the push button right there to be able to get into the vehicle. You never have to take your key out of your pocket or your purse, whatever you have it in. Again, really nice aluminum alloy wheels. We put locking lug nuts on every one of the tires, so that way you don't come out and you are on blocks one day. So this specific one obviously does have your floor mats, a little storage area down here. Great area to hide some stuff, and then you obviously have your spare and your junk right there. Obviously, seats and everything do fold down. Plenty of storage room back there. Does have the backup camera. Again, this is a 2020 Kona SEL Plus, black in color. Does have XM radio. Does have a Blue Link, and you get 3 years free of Blue Link. And everybody's like, okay, how's that going to benefit me? What's really cool with the Blue Link, you have the ability to have the app on your phone and be able to remote start your car. So you get 90 days free of XM radio, by the way. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, Infinity upgraded stereo system, which is super nice. Power seat with lumbar support. Now, obviously in 2020, you're able to get up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway and up to 33 miles per gallon on the highway. Now, the reason I say up to is because my foot, your neighbor's foot, your daughter's foot, your husband's foot is probably a little bit heavier than everybody else's and a little bit styling or driving different. Does also have your blind spot warning and also your lane keep assist. Easy way to notice if a vehicle has lane keep assist is right behind the rear view mirror. You have a little camera system. So that's going to monitor the lines in the road and help keep you safe. I remind people these are all assistants. These are not self-driving cars, but they will help keep you safe. You still want to make sure that you're monitoring. So again, does have your blind spot warning, your lane keep assist, traction assist. These are super nice vehicles. Automatic lights right there. Voice recognition, cruise control, all that fun stuff. Let's go ahead and start her up. It is a push button start. Goes through and does a complete system check on everything. And you have all different type of settings that you can kind of go into. Your fuel economy, driver assistant, you can kind of go into, and we're gonna hit OK. Go into that, driver attention warning. So you have different sensitivities and stuff that you can go into, which is really cool. Lane safety, active lane keep assist, standard, lane departure warning, all that fun stuff. Forward collision warning, and avoidance. So you have rear cross traffic alert. You have a lot of different settings that you can kind of go into. Let's go ahead and turn this down just a smidge. Also, when you go into it, you do have the home button, apps, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay, which is really nice. Read off your text messages to you. Also, when your phone's hooked up, whatever maps and stuff that you have on your phone for, guidance and navigation is going to show right here, which is super nice. Really beautiful interior. Does have your flashers right there. Then also your wireless charging pad is right down there. Does have your drive mode, which is going to be sport and normal. 3 different settings for heated seats in the front. Also does have, I don't know how well you can see it, does have the home link, pair up with 3 different garage door openers, and right there is your Blue Link. Super nice, really nice interior. Beautiful sunroof, enjoy the sunny days. Really nice, comfortable interior. Now, I'm 6'4", which most people are not. They're much closer to the ground than I am. And I'm very comfortable in this vehicle. Very comfortable seats. You do have this here, the sides that kind of wrap around you, and plenty of room in the back. So again, this is Robert out here at McCarthy Hyundai in the beautiful Blue Springs. Robert Strong. They do call me the easiest way to buy a car guy. And just wanted to reach out, kind of show you the 2020 Hyundai Kona SEL Plus. That is the ultra black color. Super nice. Let's go ahead and kind of take a look at the front here. Again, really beautiful car. So reach out to me. Let's set up a day. You could come out, get behind the wheel of this 2020 Hyundai Kona SEL Plus, black in color, and get into a vehicle that you could see yourself driving for years to come. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.